Hey, I got a great question from one of my clients this week, and I want to answer it on video because I know a lot of you have probably been in the same situation. She went and had blood work done, totally routine, and then got a notice in the mail saying Medicare denied payment. And she wanted to know, can I appeal this, and how do I do it? The answer is yes, you absolutely can appeal, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how. First thing you want to do is look for something called your Medicare Summary Notice, or your MSN. Medicare mails these out every 3 months, and it shows everything Medicare has paid for, or in this case, hasn't paid for. Find the service that was denied, and before you do anything else, call your doctor's billing office. Sometimes it's just a billing error or a coding mistake, and they can fix it without you ever having to file a formal appeal. But if it's not a billing error, then you're going to appeal. Your MSN will have appeal instructions right on it. Here's what you do. Circle the denied service on your MSN, fill out the shaded section at the bottom, and mail it to the Medicare Administrative Contractor. They call it the MAC. Their name and address are printed right there in that shaded section. You have 120 days from the date on your MSN to do this. Don't wait. Once they receive it, the MAC has 60 days to make a decision. And if your provider sends you a bill while you're waiting, just let their billing office know you have an appeal in process. They should hold off on collections while that's happening. Now, if the MAC comes back and denies your appeal, you're not done. You have another option. You can take it to the next level, something called the Qualified Independent Contractor, or QIC. You'll have 180 days from the date on the MAC's denial letter to file that appeal. The instructions on how to do it will be right on that denial letter. The QIC then has 60 days to make a decision. And if that one gets denied too, and your service was worth at least $200, you can go even further to the Office of Medicare Hearings and Appeals. There are actually 5 levels of appeal in Medicare. Most people don't even know that. Real quick, a couple of things to keep in mind throughout this whole process. Keep copies of everything. Every letter you send, every letter you get back, keep it all. And if you miss a deadline, don't panic. If you have a good reason for missing it, you may be able to request what's called a good cause extension. Medicare doesn't always get it right the first time, and you have every right to push back. That's what the appeal process is there for. If you ever get a denial and you're not sure what to do, please reach out to me. I'm happy to look at it with you and help you figure out your next step. I'm Cheryl with Senior Solutions Group. Call or text me at 419-451-4099 or book a free call at ssgmedicare.com. I'm always here to help.